Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Suman and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a trend alert video. It will be about the summer trend which will start or already has started in the fashion world. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Okay, so let's start with talking about the trends which I follow or which I don't follow. So the thing about me is I like following trends, but only those which I think will look good on me, or I think I can try it or goes with my aesthetic. So only that I follow. If something is in trend and I think I am not liking it, so I'll not follow. It's not mandatory for me to follow a trend. So I have few stuff which is not on trend right now, but that doesn't mean I won't be wearing those because it's not on trend. So I just made that clear. So let's start with the first trend is pants. In pants I mean sweats and joggers. So we in 2020 we have been in sweats and in joggers the entire year. So it's a good thing that happened in 2021 that they bought sweats and joggers as a fashion trend. So I am so really happy about it. I mean, I wore sweats and joggers the entire, we all did, right? So I was very happy when I saw that. So what can I say about sweats and joggers? It's so comfortable. It looks cute too. You can make out an outfit with only one sweat or one jogger. So it's like a perfect thing which happened in 2021. And investing in joggers and sweats is a very good investment, I feel like, because you can wear it inside, you can wear it outside whenever you want. So I think it's a good investment right now. Nowadays jeans are also comfortable, but you can't compare it with sweats or joggers, right? So I am loving this pant trend. There are many more. I will talk about it later. So if you didn't know about this trend, then start picking up sweats and joggers and make a cute outfit of it and go out and rock. Second trend is also about pants, and it's flared pants. So yeah, flared pants. What I mean by flared pant is it's a little skinny on the top, and in the bottom it's really flared and flowy. So like not palazzo. Yeah, I'm not talking about palazzo. I know though plazos are also the same cutting, but it's a little different. So I'm not talking about palazzo. It's flared pants, or some say big pants. So I'm talking about that. Take Instagram pictures, look cute. So this is also a very comfortable trend, I feel like. I love wearing pants from the starting, but there were not much option. I mean, there were only jeans. पहले तो there were only jeans, so bus I used to wear only jeans, and skirt though I didn't like wearing skirts. Nowadays I'm liking it, but pants will be always my favorite. So this trend is also really cool and really good because A, it's comfortable, B, it's perfect for summer. I mean, summer is already here and we have to be very comfortable and have to wear very breathy and airy clothes, because you know how hot it gets when it's summer. So we need to be very picky and choosy about our clothes. So I am loving these trends. So yeah, those are all for my pants section. I can't wait. I really can't wait to wear this and click tons of pictures and post it on Instagram, because I can't really wait for the summer to come. First time I'm saying this because I hate summer, but yeah, I can't really wait for the next trend is textured fabric. By textured fabric I mean velvet, satin, lace. So yeah, I mean all these, and these are really trending right now. So what can I say about these? I feel so good when I wear anything in satin or anything in velvet. Velvet itself is a very luxurious material. I mean, the feel of it, the look of it is so luxurious and so classy. I love wearing velvet anything. And then comes satin. Satin is also a really nice and really comfortable clothing. Anything in satin is also my favorite. I mean, these are the kind of fabric which you won't feel bad about investing in it, or which you won't feel like, why did I even bought this thing, because it itself looks so good, looks perfect. So why not invest in these things? I am really happy with all the trends right now, so that's why I am so excited to share with you guys. So that's the textured fabric trend. So the next trend is top wear. So this trend was very much trending in 2020. No one was able to wear it outside, but it was on trend, and in 2021 also it is trending. That is puffy sleeves and ruffled clothing. I mean, the entire ruffled clothing trend, it's very trending right now even. So at first when I saw the puffy sleeves trending, I thought that it looks weird, like, I mean, this big exaggerated puffy sleeve. But then when I tried it, I fell in love. Everything I own now is somewhere or the other puffy sleeve things. A dress, a top, anything I am owning right now, and I'm loving it. Thought that in 2021 new trend will come, but no, it stayed, and I am really happy about it. I mean, it looks so good. So whenever you are wearing anything puffy sleeves, a dress, or even a top, it just make that outfit look go onto another level. I mean, I feel like whenever I'm wearing anything sleeve related, I mean exaggerated sleeves or puffy sleeves, I feel really confident and really good about it. Making the sleeves exaggerated or puffy makes the entire outfit look so dressy, and so you have put so much thought on it and all that. So that though is a number one point. So the next trend is easy go dresses. What I mean by easy go dresses is wearing a very flared, very breathy, very airy dresses or maxi dress, anything, but a little loose fitted. Everything I have talked about so far is loose fitted. Even if you are not wearing anything from this trend, you just need to be comfortable, then only you'll look good. I though feel like that if you are comfortable in your own outfit, you are rocking the look. I feel like that. Wearing something very flowy, very breathy, very comfortable, not hugging your skin. In summers, actually, I feel like it's a good thing to not wear anything bodycon, because it's so hot and you are wearing something so skin tight, you will feel uncomfortable. Even if you don't feel uncomfortable, you will feel hot. So you can't really go here and there with something tight wearing. Personally, I can't. You can, it's good for you, but personally I can't. Another thing is, if you are wearing a dress, you don't need to make so much of thinking that what I should be pairing it up with, because dress itself is an entire outfit, so that's a plus point. That's why I wear loving dresses, because I don't need to think that अच्छा तो फिर मुझे क्या पहनना चाहिए इसके साथ ये वो, तो I don't need to think all this thing. So that's a plus point, of course. So that's the next trend. So the next trend is not my favorite. I don't even wear those. I don't even like them. But of course, people are there who will and who wear those trends and who will like those trends. That is prints. And I'm not talking about those small prints or those teeny bit prints on your pants or on your top wear. I am talking about big prints, bold prints. Like I have been seeing them all over. I'll give a picture and you can see, oh my god, these prints are like so big and over the top, like on your face prints, if I may say so. I can't say much about these because I myself don't like wearing prints that much. I mean, I'm not comfortable and it does not go with my aesthetic. I am all about, if you have seen my pictures in Instagram or if you have seen my earlier videos, you know I am a very colorless person. I mean, I don't have color in my life. Right now even I'm wearing a white t-shirt. So what do you think? Print is so दूर की बात है. I don't even wear bright colors. because I don't like it. I don't know why, but I really don't like it. I was thinking of skipping it, but I thought no, I don't like it. That doesn't mean no one else likes it, right? So yeah, just I just talked about it. And I must say, those look so pretty. Those are bold, those are big, those are on your face, but those are so pretty. I can't try them because I don't have so much strength to try those big prints on me, but you girls are brave, you can easily try them, and if you love prints, then to chhodi do baat, you can easily try it and rock the look. So I hope you like this trend. So now my favorite part, it's shoes, and next is bags. So the shoe trend right now, I only know about one, which is ballet flats. If you haven't seen a ballet flats, or if you don't know, I'll share the picture with you. I have only one ballet flats, but oh my god, it is so beautiful. I mean, when I first saw ballet flats, I thought that it's flat shoe, it doesn't have anything this and that, but when I saw this trend, it was very trending in 2020, and in 2021 also it's here. Because let's be honest, in 2020, which trend have we followed? Only the jogger and sweats, right? So which trend have we followed? Nothing. So it's very logical to keep the same trend in 2021, right? So it's a good thing, actually. I would say it's a very good thing that they have kept all the trends in 2021 also, because these are really cool and really good. So I have only one pair of ballet flats, and I bought it in 2020, and I still can't stop wearing that because it's so comfortable and it looks so good. Okay, so let's be real, we can't really wear heels every time we go somewhere, right? We have to be comfortable, and let's be honest, heels are not really comfortable. I mean, I at least don't feel very comfortable wearing heels. Those are really good, those looks really good, but I don't feel so much comfortable in wearing heels. This trend has saved my life, so just love this trend. You should try. If you haven't tried any belly flats yet, you should try it. You can easily get it from Myntra. My one, I have got it from Myntra. So you can search belly flats and it'll pop. So the last trend we are going to talk about is bags, my favorite. I'm so excited even thinking about it. Okay, so there are two actually. First one is shoulder bags. So if you have seen my earlier videos, if you have seen my haul, or if you follow me on my Instagram, which you should, go and follow me on my Instagram. This the handle I've given in the description. So let's come back to the bag part. So shoulder bags are so in right now. I mean, everywhere I see someone on the other is carrying a shoulder bag. Everywhere I go, I just carry a shoulder bag. All, but it doesn't mean that it's not spacious. It's very spacious. Right now, what all necessary things do we need? Our phone, mask, one we wear, at least one I wear and one I take, and sanitizer, and few makeup. So that's all, and it looks so good with everything. Everything, jeans, skirt, dresses, it goes with everything. So I feel like this trend is so good, so worth it. I have invested in 2 shoulder bags. I don't regret investing in those bags. So yeah, that's the trend number 1 in bags. So the next trend is, it's a little weird. I mean, I don't own any such thing, but yeah, I will share with you guys. It's water bottle bag. I know it sounds funny, but what I mean by water bottle bag is water bottle bag. I mean, it's in the shape of a water bottle, but it's a bag. It's weird, right? I'll pop up pictures on my screen so you can have a clearer picture, but I don't feel like it's very practical. Yeah, this one I don't feel like it's very practical because it's a water bottle bag. I have seen this trend. I have not seen anyone carrying it yet, but I've seen this in fashion shows and runways. I always watch this things in YouTube. So I can't say a lot about this trend because I don't own anything like this, but it sounds really interesting and it looks really cute. So I don't know if I will buy anything like this. So I don't know, I may buy 1 or 2. I don't know. I don't hate this trend, but I don't like this trend either. I mean, what can you carry in a water bottle bag? I really don't know, but yeah, it's trending. So I thought, why not share with you guys? That was our last trend which I shared with you guys, and we came to the end of this video. So let me know in the comments down below that how you felt about this video, and if you like this trend alert video, because I was a little skeptical about it, that if you will like it or not, but I thought I should share it with you guys because I follow these, so maybe some of you people also follow the trend thing. So I thought sharing with you guys. Please let me know in the comments down below that if you want more videos like this, then I would love to make them for you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below and share it with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, be safe and take care. Bye. Mwah.